Organelles research by Hannah Ablegat, Cheyenne Owens, Daniel Bakley, and Louis de la Cruz. Royal, so say it right. Golgi body or apparatus or complex, whatever you like to call it. Function: packages proteins and lipids and sends them to vesicles to be transported throughout the cell. Found in plant and animal cells. Interacts with vesicles and rough ER. Shaped like stacked discs, cisternae. Acts like a UPS store, packaging and sending the molecules to the vesicles, like UPS trucks that travel along the ER roads to bring these molecules to other parts of the cell. Very complex system, almost like a business if you ask me. Ribosomes. Functions. Is found floating in the cytoplasm or connected to the ER. When ribosomes are attached to ER, then it is called the rough ER. Proteins made on the rough ER are used inside the cell or outside of the cell. Both eukaryotes and prokaryotes and need protein to work and carry out daily functions in the cell. Because of this, ribosomes are extremely important for the survival of living things. Definition: ribosomes are ball-shaped cell structures that make protein. Minute particle that is made of RNA and associated proteins, found in large quantities in the cytoplasm. More about rough ER. More functions. Helps in the production of protein synthesis and transportation of the protein to Golgi apparatus, but it's with the help of the bound ribosomes on its membrane that it can help assemble proteins. Within the rough ER, there is lumen, which is where the protein is synthesized. Lumen is like a quality control center where proteins that are folded can then be checked for flaws and discarded if they are flawed anyway. Proteins are transported when the rough ER puts the protein in vesicles to be sent to the Golgi apparatus. They can be found in all eukaryotic cells. Definition. More about the definition, Rough ER is an organelle that is made of folded up sacs with a membrane being embedded with ribosomes and shares a close border with the nuclear membrane, making up only one part of the endoplasmic reticulum. Whoa, squat, lebo. Okay, hit the music. And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit it. I said hit it. That's right. My fellow ladies and gentlemen, I know y'all came a long way to hear this today, but let me give you some of that jazz, some of that smooth ER, which means endoplasmic reticulum, like you should already know, but smooth. Not rough, but smooth. Legal, lebo, quiet girl. Well, the smooth ER is found in plant and animal cells and is basically a store of proteins and charged ions to keep safe until it is desired from within the cell. It looks like a bunch of tubes. It is sometimes busy with producing lipids and sometimes with their metabolism. Like in the liver cells, it allows glycogen that is stored as granules on the outside surface of the smooth ER to be broken down into glucose. It also helps with the cell's production of steroid hormones in the adrenal cortex and endocrine glands. Smooth ER. More information about smoothie, smooth. Squad, limo. Well, smooth ER likes to secretly help with detoxifying organic chemicals, changing them to safer water-soluble products. Behind the scenes, like a good sport, unlike Carl. Well, big quantities of the smooth ER are found in liver cells, where one of its main jobs are to cleanse the products of natural metabolism of its toxic quantities. Toxic, take off the toxic. Yeah. Well, it will also try to clean out the overloads of ethanol from drinking alcoholic drinks and taking in from overdosing and on drugs. Yeah, it's very talented. Oh, it's a very talented man. Shh, Carl! Stop it! Just stop it! Carl! Well, that was
let's move on to the last sentence. It is done by multiplying its whole surface area, surface area by 2 like a good sport, slowly over a few days to go back to its old size when the attacks weaken. Well, y'all, that's it for right now. But better luck next time. Come to the next show, November 15th. Yeah, wow, Limo, that's my name. Remember to add me on Snapchat, Instagram, anywhere. Well, have a good night. Thank you. Have a good morning. Thank you. Thank you. Limo.